Okay, so today is April 16th, so we're getting ready to jump into this trade here in about 10 seconds. We have our switch, we have our permission, volume agrees, so everything is lined up. So now we just got to wait for this candle to close, and then we can get in and then put it. Oh, maybe not. See, it didn't close. All right, so we'll be back. That didn't confirm. All right, so here we are. Now we're confirmed. So far, anyway. We'll see what happens in the next 10 seconds. But if we don't confirm, we don't get in. So we're back over here waiting. 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Hit enter. All right, cool. So we're in. That was close. Almost missed our entry. I'm gonna mark it up and we'll be back. Okay, so trying to put a stop order in here. So our stop, market, stop price. Right here at the bottom of our algorithm. It's 176. We'll do 10. All right, so we have our stop in, and now we'll go ahead and mark it up and look for our targets. All right, so here we are. We're 90% of the way or better, so we're going to put our stop in to break even, which is 119. What are we getting at? 119.14, so 119.818. A little bit above break even. Help with commissions. Going to cancel this order. And then sell. All right, so our next position for our stop is going to be 121. 121.02. So once we get through 121.02, we'll put our stop in for 121.02 and see if we get lucky and have this thing run up to the next level and get a 2R out of it, or will we end up with just a 1R or maybe with a no R as this is pulling all the way back down. So we'll see what happens. I'll leave this record for a few minutes. 119.18 is our stop right now. Here, I'll draw it. 119.18 roughly. Got 2 minutes left before this candle closes. We'll go ahead and come back. I'll try to catch it if we hit a stop out. But if this can close close to this level right now, we'll be in really great shape, because then if the next candle moves through, it can move through nicely where we can put our stop in at our 1-to-1 and still give it plenty of room to wiggle, and then possibly go up to a 2 or 3R. So yeah, we'll see what happens here in the next minute and a half. We'll be back. Okay, so now we're through. So we're gonna look for our opportunity. It barely, just quickly touched it and came right back down, but it looks like it wants to get through. New candle's opening right next to it, so we should get through. 121.12. So this stock likes to move quite a bit. I'm going to give it just a second here. And, just give it a quick moment. If it blinks red, I'll bounce. I want to give it that little opportunity. Uh-oh, it's blinking red. All right, I think we're going to get out. Oh, I missed my opportunity to get out. I think we're good, though. I think this is on a climb. This particular stock likes to do 2 and 3Rs, so we'll hang out here a second. Gonna change this stop to market just in case. And then I try not to leave my finger over my mouse with the clicker, because many times I accidentally click it. So that's kind of a bummer when you accidentally click it, especially when you buy something and you're not ready to buy it. $21.39. All right, we're gonna put our stop in there, and then if it backs up and gets us out, all good. We got our 1-to-1. Our algorithm trip told us to jump in. It gave us our stop. We had our ideal entry price. We had our target. and we clearly got our target. So everything else after this is a bonus. Okay, so we should be out. Yep. All right, cool. So we're out with our $74. And now if this thing wants to run to the moon without us, no big deal. Doesn't matter. You know, when you do all the risk management, you put out your whole trading plan out, and you look at how these one-to-ones develop, it turns into a lot of money just hitting these one-to-ones. And occasionally we get lucky and we get a 2-to-1 or 3-to-1 or whatever. So yeah, so perfect. Everything worked out just perfect for this trade.